Are you struggling to make your text shadow bigger in your iOS app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to enhance your text shadow using Swift 3.0. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want your text to stand out, but the shadow just doesn't seem to cooperate. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Here's the situation. One user asked, "How can I make the shadow size bigger than the text itself on a UI button?" They shared their current code, but it just isn't giving them the desired effect. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's going wrong? The shadow properties you've set are important, but they might not be enough to achieve that dramatic effect you're looking for. Let's break down how to adjust these settings effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can elevate your UI design even further. To make the shadow size bigger than the text itself, the user should start by adjusting the shadow offset. This will help create a more pronounced shadow effect. Next, the user should increase the shadow radius. A larger radius will create a softer and more spread out shadow, enhancing the visual effect. Additionally, the user can modify the shadow opacity. This will determine how visible the shadow appears. A value closer to 1 will make the shadow darker. Finally, the user should ensure that the shadow color is set correctly. A darker color will provide a better contrast against the background. After making these adjustments, the user should see a more prominent shadow effect around the text of the UI button. This will enhance the overall appearance. Fun fact, did you know that shadows in design can create a sense of depth and make your UI feel more interactive? It's true. A well-placed shadow can transform a flat design into something dynamic. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using attributed strings to create a text shadow effect. By utilizing the set attributed title property of a UI button, you can achieve the desired look. The user provides code examples for both Swift 4 and Swift 3, demonstrating how to set stroke color, foreground color, and stroke width to create an outline text effect. Here's a quick tip. Always preview your changes on different devices. Shadows can look different depending on screen size and resolution, so testing is key. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, your UI button's shadow should now look fantastic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on iOS development.